It is Sunday morning. Anna wakes up early. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. She opens the window. She looks outside. Birds are singing. It is a good day. Anna has a dog. The dog's name is Lucky. Lucky is small and brown. He has big ears and a short tail. Anna loves Lucky very much. Every morning Anna plays with Lucky in the garden. But today, Lucky is not in the garden. Anna looks around. She calls, "Lucky, Lucky!" But the dog does not come. Anna feels worried. She goes to the street. She looks left. She looks right. No dog. She goes to her neighbor. The neighbor is an old woman. Anna asks, "Have you seen my dog?" The woman says, "No, I am sorry." Anna walks to the park. Many children are playing. Anna asks, "Have you seen a small brown dog?" One boy says, "Yes, I saw a dog near the fountain." Anna runs to the fountain. She looks around. She sees birds, trees, and children, but no dog. Anna sits on a bench. She feels sad. She thinks, "Where is Lucky? Maybe he is hungry. Maybe he is afraid." Suddenly she hears a sound. Woof! Woof! Anna looks behind the bench. It is Lucky. He is wagging his tail and looks happy. Anna laughs and hugs Lucky. She says, "Oh, Lucky, I was so worried." Lucky jumps and licks her face. A little girl comes and says, "Your dog was playing with my ball. He is very funny." Anna smiles and says, "Thank you for watching him." Anna and Lucky walk home together. Anna gives Lucky food and water. She says, "Please don't run away again." Lucky lies down and sleeps. Anna feels happy again.